we need to find the vertex of the given graph. We have given quadratic function. We know that the graph of quadratic function is parabola. Parabola can be open up or open down. Everything depends of a. If a is greater than 0, so we have parabola opens up, and when a is less than 0, we have parabola opens down. And what is a? Let me remind you general form of quadratic function. We can write that y is equal f of x. It doesn't matter if you use y of f of x. This is equal a x squared plus b x plus c. So we see that a is coefficient before x squared, b is coefficient before x, and c is constant. In our function, we don't have expression with x. It means that coefficient b is 0. So we can rewrite the equation of our function that this is equal negative x squared plus 0x plus 2. Why 0? Because we don't have here expression with x. 0 times x give me 0. So everything is still the same. I didn't change the equation of our function. And now it's very easy to read a, b, and c. A, like I said, is coefficient before x squared. We have negative, and when we don't have any number, it's always invisible 1. So this is negative 1. B is equal 0, coefficient before x. And c is equal constant 2. So we see because a is negative, it means our parabola is open down, and this is our vertex. For a greater than 0, we have here vertex. We need to find coordinates of vertex, so this is x and y. We need to find x and y. And let me remind you formula. When we have general form of quadratic function, the coordinates of the vertex are, first coordinate is negative b over 2a, and second is value of function for negative b over 2a. It doesn't matter if I write this negative sign before this whole fraction, or I can take this negative sign to numerator. It's still the same. So now, to find the vertex, we need b and a. So we have that b is negative 1, a is negative 1, b is 0. So we can find first coordinate, negative b over 2a, and this is the formula. So now we have to substitute to this formula. Negative sign we copy, b is 0, so we have 0 over 2 times negative 1. So this is equal 0 over negative 2. Before 0 we have negative sign, but still it is 0. So we have x, and now we have to find the y. This is our first coordinate, this is our second coordinate. Y is equal f of negative b over 2a. So this is equal, we found that negative b over 2a is 0, so we can replace negative b over 2a by 0. So this is equal, and now we have to go to our equation, and we need to substitute x by 0. This is our x now. So we have that this is negative sign we copy, x is 0, so we have 0 to second power plus 2. This is equal to, we found x, we have y, so we can write that the vertex is 0, 2. This is my solution.